Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going over episode number 2 of The Road to Funded. In this episode, we are going to recap my week, go over my weekly journal, and kind of go over the outline that I'm going to have for these videos. So let's just hop straight into it, going over my journal. And here we go. So I took no trades at all this week. Probably could have taken a trade on Tuesday, maybe on Friday as well, but we'll go over that later. Right now I am on paper. I'm on a paper account. If you can see, paper trading. I want to prove my abilities first. I want to pass a challenge on paper by getting to 6%. Then I'm going to reset it, do it again, and then I'll purchase a real funded challenge. So I'll be more confident in it, and I think it'll be important for my long-term journey as a day trader. So, first of all, going over the week, we were in a clear buy model. We had equal highs. We inversed this move, so I knew we were going higher. It was so clean. I just didn't really see any opportunity to get in, unfortunately. But there will be more opportunity in the market, so I'm not too mad about it. But looking here, just looking at the leg up, these look like the 3 opportunities to me. And only one of the opportunities was when I trade. This one was at 9:30. Like 9:30 to 10:30 or the PM session open, so 1 p.m. Around those areas, if I see the manipulation move, I'll most likely take a trade. But I'll go over it later why I didn't take a trade. Also, there's a short opportunity here after we complete this model. There is a short opportunity on Wednesday. I don't remember what the actual entry looked like, but this looks kind of clean to me. We rebalance back to this open inefficiency. We sweep out internal liquidity after playing out this buy model. It makes sense. Also, on Friday, we had manipulated this high. I didn't see this SMT at the time because it didn't look super clean, but I wanted to see us manipulate more into this bearish imbalance first and then make a move down. But I was definitely bearish because we inverse this bullish move so fast that the draw on liquidity is most likely lower. As soon as I see that like V-shaped move, the draw on liquidity is probably lower. This was from last week. This is what I wanted to see from this week for a clean move. I wanted to see classic expansion after manipulating lower, but we didn't really get that, which is totally fine. We're not going to get what I want every single time, and being able to adjust to that is part of trading and something that I have been working on, which is good. So some of my big takeaways from this week. I am definitely getting more confident in my ability to read price, being able to recognize market maker models, using weekly and daily profiles, using seek and destroy, TGIF models. Using the 1 hour time frame, I'm very confident in seeing where price is going and being able to react to what price is doing. I've been backtesting a lot on the higher time frames, but I still have some work to do when actually entering into the market, actually putting risk on and inserting myself into the market. There's still a little bit for me to work on in that area. But I will work on mastering one thing at a time. Obviously, I'm going to keep working at it forever, but yeah. Also, defining my edge. I really need to fully lay out how I trade, what my style, what my system of trading is. And I will go over a video on how I trade. And yeah, that's something I got to work on, that I will continue to work on. Obviously, the trading is never mastering trading. It's always you continue to work to get better at it. But yeah, And yeah, that's about all that this says. I mean, if you want to read through it, you can, but that's about the biggest parts of it. We'll go over Tuesday. Let me pull up Tuesday. We'll go over Tuesday's price action and where I probably should have taken a trade and why I didn't take a trade. So again, the equal highs up here, we had rebalance into this bigger time frame imbalance, daily fair value gap. We pushed into it, sweep out this low, this daily low, and we displace up off of it, closing through this bearish candle. This thing, we just run right through it. Change of the state of delivery, and then we test it and push off of it. So immediately in my head, I'm thinking, okay, these equal highs, we're probably going there. And coming into the day, after we sweep out liquidity, this internal liquidity, I'd want to see us rebalance to equilibrium or manipulate some type of low. So we generate buy-side liquidity up here, which looks really nice. Generated buy-side liquidity. Before market open, let's see, let's go to before market open. We hadn't yet rebalanced to equilibrium. So what I wanted to see was one move lower, internal manipulation of these lows, displacement up, retest, push up off of it to expand, complete this buy model, and also expand to the higher time frame buy model to this liquidity. And we did get that, but I wish it was cleaner, but we didn't get SMT at all. And also, I just didn't like how low ES pushed so low, but didn't sweep out these lows. It's just tough. I did miss out on this opportunity. I think I'm okay with not taking trade. If we had SMT here, if ES comes down and takes out this low, and we have SMT at this low, I'm taking this trade every single time. If also we do something like this, let me replay. If we do something like this and have SMT here instead on like even on the internal time frame, even something like this, I could take a trade on. But it just wasn't clean enough for me, in my opinion. And I'd rather be patient. I'm working on being patient, taking only 2 trades at max a week. And I think I am okay with not taking this trade. Was there opportunity? Yes, there was opportunity. Didn't take the trade. Let's also go over Wednesday. I want to see Wednesday after we played out the buy model. Wednesday market open is all the way up here. Let price go there. Okay, we're generating liquidity right now. Sweep out the low. Like, this is definitely an opportunity, but it happened at 6 a.m., which is like 3 a.m. my time, so it's not even considering that. And is price... Oh my gosh. Of course. So let's go to 9:30. I was looking long this day. Obviously, I wanted to see the buy model be completed. Dang, my computer is being slow. Hold on, I'll let this load. Okay, so coming into Wednesday, obviously I wanted to see this buy model be completed. And same thing again, I want to see a retrace to equilibrium. Retrace to equilibrium into this bullish imbalance. Maybe manipulate this low. Maybe get SMT. SMT, something like that. Or we manipulate all the way down back into this bullish imbalance. And then get SMT, displacement up, go higher. But unfortunately, we didn't get that. Market opens First candle, we go sweep out that high. No SMT here, unfortunately. Really wanted to see that. No SMT, but from here, possible short. We displace down. 5-minute change in the state here. Very strong displacement. We have a reason to go lower. This open imbalance generated liquidity. This is pretty slow price action though, so I'm fine with not taking a trade on Wednesday. It would have to be on the sweep. Is there a 1-minute change in state or something? No, there's nothing really clean on Wednesday. I'm okay not taking a trade there. We can go over Friday as well. Let me see Friday. The opportunity that I thought maybe missed out on. I just wanted to see us come into this bullish imbalance. Also, we didn't sweep London high just yet. We had a clean seek and destroy day. I wanted to see us take London high first and then push down SMT maybe, but we just don't. And again, I'd rather be more patient. I'm getting to be more patient until I see exactly what I want to see, and then I'll risk what I need to risk. But I'm okay being patient on this. I like my decision this week, not taking a trade. Where would the opportunity be? It would be here. SMT, probably take it on ES because SMT was, the lower pair was on ES. Wait a minute. Okay, there is SMT. It doesn't, I don't know why it does this, but on the micros it doesn't show the SMT, but we do have SMT. So that's actually why it confused me, is because I couldn't see it. So is that even my fault? Probably, but still. I was more patient. I'm totally fine with being patient, but I also don't want to be scared to take a trade. So let's go over next week. Let me bring back my notebook. Next week we have news every single day of the week, red folder, which is nice. Very volatile week, hopefully. We have NFP on Wednesday. Oh, Fed Chair Powell speaks on Monday. I didn't even see that. But lots of news, so hopefully a volatile week. I would absolutely love for us to come into this weekly fair value gap and push off of it. That would be awesome. This would be what it would look like, but I don't know if we can get that much volatility. We'd have to move a lot to see that. Let me go on TradingView. We'd have to... Where's the weekly fair value gap on? Yeah, we'd have to move down 600, almost 700 points, 650 points, and then reverse. Maybe we just make a classic bearish expansion. Maybe I'm thinking we do this. Come into this bearish imbalance, then push lower. Then from here, smart money reversal, displace up, get a buy model, and then just play out all the way to all-time highs. Because we're clearly in a bullish expansion. Like, this is clearly a buy model. Higher time frame buy model, original consolidation, expansion, consolidation, second stage distribution. Not really a clean smart money reversal, but we have a turtle soup sweeping out these lows get swept out, and then we get a bullish candle closure. Then we get displacement, candle up, test, sweep, displacement, and now we're looking to play out this side of the buy model, this buy side of the curve. And yeah, so that's about all for this video. Just wanted to go over my weekly recap. I'm hoping you guys maybe got something out of this video, learning from my mistakes. I will continue to post these videos until I get funded. It might take a year. It might take 5 years. No, it's not going to take 5 years, but I'll give up before then. No, I'm kidding. I'm not going to give up. But that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more episodes. I'm going to be posting on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I'm going to go over some back testing stuff. And yeah, so that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you did, subscribe, like the video, and peace out. Bye.